Hello, namaste. Welcome to my channel. This is Anna Breeze, holistic life coach and author of The Wise Method. Thank you for joining me today, where we're going to be talking about The Law of Assumption by Neville Goddard. Have you ever wondered why some people just seem to effortlessly achieve their dreams, while others struggle, or maybe even you're struggling, even when putting in the same amount of effort? The answer might lie in a powerful yet simple concept called the Law of Assumption, widely popularized by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and mystic, well known for his teachings on manifesting your reality. And one of his most famous teachings or concepts is the Law of Assumption. So today we're going to dive deep into what that is, how it works, and how you can use it to transform your own reality. If you've come across books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne or the teachings of Abraham Hicks on the Law of Attraction, you'll recognize the similarity of the Law of Assumption and what it implies. But the Law of Assumption goes a little bit deeper. It describes the mechanics behind the Law of Attraction, where the consensus is that what you believe about yourself will become manifest in the world. Simply put, the Law of Assumption states that whatever you assume to be true, whether that's expansive and unlimited or lack-based and limited thinking, we usually call this good or bad happenings or experiences, that they'll manifest in your reality. So what you assume to be true will become your desired outcome, or your outcome whether it's desired or not. With the Law of Assumption, it's not about wishful thinking so much, or positive affirmations, or hoping things will happen. It's more about assuming and feeling as if they already have happened. Goddard often cites creation is finished. So you assume that the desire is already here and now. It's already complete. Here's how it works. In any given moment, you're always assuming or believing something from an unconscious place. For example, if you assume that you're always broke or unlucky, you'll continue to see evidence of that in your life, according to the Law of Assumption. These assumptions or beliefs are programmed into us from childhood, but we often continue to play out these old beliefs in our reality as adults, affecting our relationships, our ability to achieve success in whatever we're doing. So, but if you instead assume that you're abundant, loved, successful, then those assumptions will shape your reality. We're going to break it down into 3 simple steps so that you can follow and apply the Law of Assumption in your own life. Step 1. Become aware of your current assumptions. You might want to have a journal handy for this one. Take some time out of your day, maybe 30 minutes or so, just to reflect on what beliefs or assumptions that you're carrying about yourself and your life. These could be deep-rooted ideas like, I'm not good enough, or life is hard. Check in and just notice some of your habitual thoughts, maybe phrases or words that you express when you're around your friends or family. Identifying these limiting assumptions is the first step to transforming them. So in order to change what we're experiencing and creating and experiencing, let's move on to step 2. So step 2, assume your desired state. Next, you begin to assume the reality you want. If your goal is financial freedom, start assuming that you're already financially free. So you visualize yourself living that life, and most importantly, feel it as if it's already true. According to Goddard, the key to success or creating your desire is feeling and not just thinking. Goddard also recommends visualizing your desired reality with feeling just before you go to sleep, as this is when the subconscious mind is most active, so we can reprogram our subconscious beliefs if we do this before we sleep. So just as you're going to sleep, you start visualizing and feeling what it would be like to be living in the assumption right now of your desired reality. Step 3. Persist in your new assumption. Finally, as with everything, persistence and consistency is key. It can take some time to undo and reprogram years of habitual thinking. So this means living in the end of your new assumption, regardless of your outer circumstances. And this is a really important one that Goddard emphasizes. No matter what's going on right now in your life, you don't let that interfere with you assuming the outcome that you want. So even if things don't immediately change or that you see results now, you continue assuming and feeling as if your new reality has already materialized. And over time, your outer world will adjust to match your inner state, according to Goddard. So why it works? Why does this work, or why could it work? Goddard explained the world we experience is a direct reflection of our internal state. By managing and changing our assumptions, we shift our consciousness. And as our consciousness shifts, our external world has no choice but to follow suit. Goddard teaches that the world is an illusion and made up of our imagination, and that we are conscious creators of that dream reality. So what we impress upon our minds becomes fact. There are many video testimonials of people who have used this law to transform their lives, from manifesting dream careers, relationships, and overcoming limiting beliefs. The most important takeaway here is that your assumptions create your reality. The more you practice and embody your desired state, the faster it will become your physical experience. So if you want to start this today and start playing around with this concept, then give it a go and start practicing before you go to sleep tonight, living in the end of your desired reality as if it is here right now. And let me know in the comments how it went. In summary, Neville Goddard's law of assumption invites you to take control of your reality by shifting your inner world. You don't need to wait for external validation or permission. Everything you need to create your dream life already exists within you. So, what are you waiting for? Start assuming the best for yourself today. You deserve it. And watch how the world around you changes. I've seen this work, and even difficulties with people or family members can shift. All you have to do is see things going well in your mind's eye just before you drop off to sleep. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on holistic lifestyle and spiritual growth. And do drop a comment below and let me know, what are you going to assume into reality? Also, if you'd like to follow my work, you can subscribe to my newsletter and buy my book, The Wise Method, which is a self-discovery book of inner healing and spiritual awakening. Until next time, take care, and may God bless you with abundance, peace, and joy. Namaste.